seventh term of some binomial expansion is given and you are asked to find out x. See, in the next question, seventh term of the binomial expansion itself is given and you are asked to find out x. It's a different kind of question. Look at this. If seventh term in the binomial expansion of 3 by cube root of 83 plus square root of 3 log x whole power 9 is equal to 729, then what is x? Dear students, this problem is very, very simple. First, let us write seventh term. Look at this. T7 is equal to what should I write? 9C6. Actually, that is T6 plus 1. Do you agree with me? So, NCR, that is 9C6. X power n minus r, y power r. That is 3 by 84 power 1 by 3 power 9 minus 6. Can I straight away write it as 3? Yes, we can write it as 3 into root 3 into log x. Root 3 log x power 6. NCR, x to the power of n minus r, a power r. So that is equal to what? 9C6 is 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So into 3 power 3 divided by 84 power 1 by 3 power 3 is 84 into root 3 power 6. Root 3 power 6 is 3 power 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 cube. Is that correct? 3 cube into log x power 6, that is equal to 729. Let us simplify this, right? 3 2s are 6, so 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8. So can we write this? 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. So then what happens? What is left out? 4 into 7, 7 4s are 28. So 3 power 3 into 3 power 3 is 3 power 6. 3 power 6 is 729. This implies 729 log of x power 6 is equal to 729. Correct? Now what happens? Log of x power 6, log x power 6 is equal to 1. Therefore, what happens? Log x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 1. Right? Log x is equal to, actually this is plus or minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus e power 1, or you can also write it as log x is equal to 1 means x is equal to e power 1 or x is equal to e power minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to e or 1 by e. So that clearly says option A is correct. Got it? So please make a note of this, dear students. We can go to the next question.